welcome to the channel. So this is going to be the fifth part of the speedy MCQ for the month of February 2025. Now part 1 से part 4 तक हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से लेके 426 तक कंप्लीट किया है एंड आज की इस वीडियो में हम 427 क्वेश्चन नंबर से आगे बढ़ेंगे. So let us start. How many crore of rupees has been allocated by the Union Cabinet for the Chandrayaan 4 mission? So Union Cabinet ने चंद्रयान मिशन के लिए कितना मनी एलोकेट किया है? तो 2104 crore. On the recommendation of which committee has the one nation one election been done? So the chairman of the committee was Ramnath Kovind, who is the former president of India. Now next is, who has become the first woman pilot to fly the Tejas aircraft? Correct answer is Mohana Singh. Next is, who has recently launched the NPS Vatsyalaya Yojana? So this has been launched by Nirmala Sitharaman. Next is question number 431. Which union minister has recently launched the Bhaskar portal? So ये भास्कर पोर्टल लॉन्च किया है पीयूष गोयल ने. How much money has been allocated by the Center for the Relief and Rehabilitation of People Affected by Natural Disasters? Correct answer is 12,554 crore. Who is the first Pakistani woman to become an international cricket umpire? Correct answer is Salima Imtiaz. How many medals did India won in the Paris Paralympics 2024 games? Now, India won a total number of 29 medals. Now, next is question number 435. Engineers Day is celebrated on every year on 15 September across the country on whose birthday? So, it is celebrated on the birthday of Mokshagundam Vishweshwara. Next is question number 436. Which tennis player has won the women's single title in the US Open of 2024? Correct answer is Aryna Sabalenka. Who has been recently selected for the Eklavya Award of 2024? Correct answer is Pratyasha Rai. Next is question number 438. Which tennis player has won the men's single title in the US Open of 2024? Correct answer is Jannik Sinner. Who is the first Indian to be elected president of the Asian Olympic Council? Correct answer is Gagan Narang. Sorry, not Gagan Narang but Randhir Singh. Now next is, how many personalities have received the Raman Magsaysay Award for the year 2024? Correct answer is 4 persons has received the Raman Magsaysay Award. Next is, which football team has won the SAF Under-20 Championship title? It is won by Bangladesh. Which state in India has become the first state to approve the Unified Pension Scheme? Correct answer is Maharashtra. Recently, it has been announced to create 5 new districts in Ladakh. So, how many new districts will be there in the Union Territory? So, earlier there were 2 districts. Abhi 5 और add हुए हैं. So, total number of districts is 7. Now, next is question number 444. Kapil Parmar has become the first Indian athlete to win a Paris Paralympic medal in which sport? So he won a Paralympic medal in judo. Next is, which Indian female wrestler won the gold medal in the Under-20 World Wrestling Championship? Jyoti Barwal. Next is, in which event did Sumit Until win the gold medal in the Paris Paralympics of 2024? Correct answer is javelin throw. Which country will host the ICC Test Championship final in the year 2025? So इंग्लैंड के लॉर्ड्स में ये फाइनल होने वाला है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 448. रूरल डॉक्टर्स मूवमेंट वाज awarded the Raman Magsaysay Award of 2024. It belonged to which country? So this belonged to Thailand. Next is, the Ministry of Panchayati Raj signed an agreement with whom with the aim of strengthening the system for social change? So इसका करेक्ट आंसर हमारा हो जाएगा यूनिसेफ इंडिया. नेक्स्ट इज, विच स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हैज लॉन्च द सुभद्रा योजना? करेक्ट आंसर इज ओडिशा. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 451. Where was the country's first Namo Bharat Rapid Rail inaugurated? So this Namo Bharat Rapid Rail was inaugurated in the state of Gujarat. How many of the government of India has approved the health insurance of how many lakh rupees for senior citizen? So correct answer is 5 lakh. Next is, which country recently took seat as the member country of the United Nations in the 79th General Assembly session? Correct answer is Palestine. Where did the PM Modi inaugurate the Semicon India 2024? Correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next is Draupadi Murmu honored how many people with the National Florence Nightingale Award? So, total number of 15 were awarded. Now, next is the joint military exercise Al Naja was conducted between India and which country? Correct answer is India and Oman. Which app was recently launched by the Union Fisheries Minister? So, correct answer हो जाएगा हमारा Rangoli fish. Next is how many crore rupees have been provisioned by the Union Cabinet under the PM E-Drive scheme? So, a total number of 10,900 crore has been allocated. Now, National Space Day is celebrated in India on 23rd August. Why 23rd August? Because on this day, the Chandrayaan landed on the southern part of the moon, and that point at which it landed is known as Shiv Shakti point. Okay. Next is who has become the first Indian female racer to win the national championship? So, correct answer is Diana Kundole. In the 54th GST Council meeting, the GST rate on cancer medicine has been reduced to what amount? So, the amount has been reduced to 5%. Next है question number 462. Now, in which sport did Avni Lakhera win the gold medal in the Paris Paralympics? So, the correct answer is shooting. Shooting में इनको मिला है. Next है हमारा 463. With which country did India sign an MOU to enhance cooperation in the field of tourism? Correct answer is Malaysia. Where was the Global FinTech Festival of 2024 organized? So, this was organized in Mumbai. Which ministry recently launched the She-Box portal? So, it was launched by the Ministry of Women and Child Development. Who was recently elected as the chairman of the Parliamentary Official Language Committee? Correct answer is Amit Shah. Next is who launched the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Kisan Samriddhi Shah Yojana? So, this scheme was launched by Rajiv Ranjan Singh. Next is All Indian Institute of Medical Sciences AIMS inaugurated a tobacco cessation in which city? So, it was launched in New Delhi. On which foundation anniversary of the Supreme Court was the new flag and logo unveiled? So, it is on the 75th anniversary of the Supreme Court. Now, where was the Commonwealth Chess Championship of 2024 held? So, it was held in Sri Lanka. Next is India's first conservation and breeding center for conservation of the Asian king vulture has been started in which state? So, it has been started in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Tata Advanced System Limited has signed an agreement with whom for the C-130J Super Hercules program in India. So, the plane is made by Lockheed Martin. So, इनके साथ agreement हुआ है. Athlete Nishad Kumar won which medal at the high jump in Paris Paralympics of 2024? So, correct answer इसका हो जाएगा silver medal. Panchayati Raj Ministry organized a 5-day management development program with whom? So, correct answer इसका हो जाएगा IIM Amritsar. How many crore rupees have been approved by the Union Cabinet for the Digital Agriculture Mission? Correct answer is 2817 crore rupees. Next is recently the Anubhav Puraskar award was given by whom? So, it was given by Department of Pension and Pensions Welfare. Recently, how many railway stations under the Lucknow division of Uttar Pradesh has been renamed? Correct answer is total number of 8 stations. In which event did Sharad Kumar and Pariyappa Thangavelu win medals in the Paris Paralympics of 2024? Correct answer हो जाएगा हमारा इसका high jump. Next is who has been appointed as the selector of the men's cricket team by the BCCI? Ajay Ratna. Next is who recently launched the first phase of Project Naman. So, this first phase was launched by Indian Army. Who is the first Indian female athlete to win 2 medals in track and field event in the Paris Paralympics or Olympics? Correct answer is Preeti Pal. Finance Ministry recently gave the Navrata status to how many companies? Correct answer is 4. Next is Finance Ministry, 483. Union Minister George Kurin has been elected unopposed to Rajya Sabha from which state? So, he has been elected from the state of Madhya Pradesh. Next is which bank has launched a new saving bank account scheme named Avani for women? So, this has been launched by Bandhan Bank. Next is Mukhyamantri Sukh Shiksha Yojana has been launched by which of the following state government? So this has been launched by Himachal Pradesh. Next is who has been made the Indian flag bearer for the closing ceremony of the Paris Paralympics? So these are Harvinder Singh and Preeti Pal are the closing Indian flag bearer at the closing ceremony. No. In which country was the Asian Hockey Championship organized? It was organized in China. PM Shri Narendra Modi launched the Jal Sanchay Jan Bhagidari initiative in which city? So this initiative was launched in Surat. Which union minister has been included in the Time magazine list of AI most influential people? Correct answer is Ashnavi Vaishnav. Which state government has announced the 33% reservation for women in the police force? Correct answer is Rajasthan. Next is where did President Murmu inaugurate the Vishwa Shanti Buddha Vihar? So it was inaugurated in Maharashtra. Which award did Indian club thrower Dharamveer win at the Paris 2024 Paralympics? So correct answer is gold. Who is the oldest Indian to swim across the English Channel alone? Correct answer is Siddharth Agarwal. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has announced to build how many football stadiums in the state? Correct answer is 18. Next is with which country has India partnered for a semiconductor? Correct answer is Singapore. Which country has scored the highest power play total in the T20 cricket history? Correct answer is Australia. Next is with which country has the Indian Navy recently conducted the Varuna exercise? Correct answer is France. Who won the title under 20 SAF Football Championship? So this title has been won by Bangladesh. Next is how many crore rupees have been approved by the Union Cabinet for hydropower project in the northeastern states? Correct answer is 4136 crore. Who won the title of Indian National Chess Championship? Correct answer is Kartikeya Venkatraman. Paris Paralympics was organized in Paris, the capital of France, between which dates? So the dates of Paris Paralympics are 28th August to 8th September. Next is the Union Home Minister has announced the creation of 5 new districts in which Union Territory? So these districts are to be made in Ladakh. To whom has the President Draupadi Murmu recently given the first Vigyan Ratan Award? So it is given to Govind Padma Baman for research in the field of malaria. Okay. Next is recently Pentagon Shinawatra has become the youngest Prime Minister of which Asian country? Correct answer is Thailand. Who has won the Best Actor Awards in the 70th National Film Awards? So this award has been given to Rishabh Shetty. Now with which country has India recently signed a green ammonia export agreement? So this agreement was done with Japan. India's first National Space Day celebrated on 23rd August. How many medals did India win in the 17th International Earth Science Olympiad held in Beijing, China? So correct answer is total number of 8. By which year has the government of India decided to achieve the goal of foot and mouth disease-free India? And this disease is related to livestock. So correct answer iska ho jayega 2030. Maharashtra first solar village was inaugurated in which city? So the correct answer is it is there in Satara. Where was the first policy makers forum organized by the Union Minister JP Nadda? So this was organized in New Delhi. Where was the Lakpati Didi Sammelan recently held? It was held in Maharashtra. Recently, the world's oldest woman, Maria Branias, recently passed away. She belonged to which country? She belonged to Spain. Who has been named as the chef de mission of the Indian contingent for Paris Paralympics? Correct answer is Satya Prakash Sangwan. Just a second. Now, the next is who is the first Indian woman to conquer Mount Kinabalu, the highest peak of Malaysia? Correct answer is Lakshmi Jha. Next is Indian Navy recently signed an agreement with whom for engineering equipment? Correct answer is BEML Limited. Recently, 3 more new Ramsar sites have been created in India. Now, the list of such sites in the country has increased to how many? So, it has increased to 85. Next is the upcoming Women's T20 World Cup will now be organized in which country instead of Bangladesh? So it is going to be organized in UAE. Who won the bronze medal in the Under 17 World Wrestling Championship held in Amman, Jordan? Correct answer is Raunak Dahiya. Recently, the famous personality Natwar Singh has passed away. Natwar Singh was former foreign minister. Cricketer Gus Atkinson of which country has received the ICC Player of the Month honor for July 2024? So he belongs to England. Which Indian has recently got A rating in the Global Finance Central Bank report card? Correct answer is Shashikanta Das. Which ministry has instituted the National Geoscience Award? So this award has been instituted by Ministry of Mines. Who has been selected as the Indian flag bearer for the opening ceremony of Paris Paralympics? So correct answer is Sumit Tandon. The joint military training exercise Mitra Shakti was conducted between India and which country? It was conducted between India and Sri Lanka. Next is, where did the Union Minister Dr. Virendra Kumar inaugurate the 17th Divya Kala Mela? So this was inaugurated in Raipur. Sadbhavana Divas is celebrated every year on whose birth anniversary? Correct answer is Rajiv Gandhi. Next is, who has been appointed as India's new ambassador to the United Nations? Correct answer is P. Harish. Who has been appointed as the new Home Secretary of India? So the correct answer is Govind Mohan. Next is, who has become the new Director of ED? Rahul Naveen is the correct answer. Now, next is, who has been appointed as the new bowling coach of the Indian men's cricket team? Correct answer is Morne Morkel. Paul Kagame was recently sworn in as the president of which country? Correct answer is Rwanda. Which country will host the third Voice of the Global South Summit? So it is going to be conducted by India. Recently, DRDO successfully tested the long-range glide bomb. What is its name? So the name is Gaurav. Recently, which state government has declared the ancient monument petroglyphs and geoglyphs as the Mesolithic era located in Ratnagiri as a protected monument? So this is in Maharashtra. Who has become the next cabinet secretary of India in place of Rajiv Gauba? Correct answer is TV Somanathan. Now, which female cricketer has received the ICC Player of the Month award for July 2024? Correct answer is Chamari Attapadar. Which Indian para shuttler was recently suspended by Badminton World Federation? Correct answer is Pramod Bhagat. Who has been appointed as the head coach of the Indian junior men's hockey team? Correct answer is P.R. Srijesh. Indian Railways has partnered with which organization to promote One India, One Ticket initiative? Correct answer is National Capital Region Transport Corporation. Next है हमारा the first global overseas women kabaddi league will be organized in which state? So it is going to be organized in the state of Haryana. Big Cricket League has signed a long-term broadcast deal with which national broadcaster? Correct answer है हमारा प्रसार भारती. Next is, which country won the most medals in the Paris Olympics of 2024? So USA won the most number of medals. Second जो थी वो थी China. Okay. Now, what was the position of India in the medal tally in the Paris Olympics of 2024? Correct answer हो जाएगा हमारा इसका 71st. World Organ Donation Day celebrated every year across the world on 13th August. How many medals has India won in total in the Paris Olympics of 2024? So total India ने 6 medal जीते हैं. Okay. Now, next is, which anniversary of Quit India movement has been celebrated all over India on 8th August 2024? Correct answer हो जाएगा हमारा 82nd. So with this we are done with 100 more questions. इस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर की, इस पर्टिकुलर MCQs की 2 और वीडियोस आएंगी और सारे के सारे MCQs खत्म हो जाएंगे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.